Hello, my name is James Lawrence and I'm an Implementation Service Manager at Revisto. Today I'm here to talk to you about the 2D functionality within the Revisto workspace. To navigate to the 2D area, you can simply click 2D on the toolbar across the top of the workspace. Alternatively, you can hit number 2 on your keyboard and the 2D area will become available. To navigate to a drawing, you can expand the folder structure by clicking on the arrow and navigating to the specific folder you want to review. Alternatively, you can use the toolbar across the top of the workspace. By typing in part of the drawing, you can see that the drawing appears. To open, we can click on Open, or we can double click to take us to the drawing. When in the drawing, we can compare versions of the drawings against one another. By clicking on the versions across the top, it will bring up a list of all the versions of the drawing available to compare. By selecting one of the drawings and clicking Compare, we can now move the slider to the left to look at the first version of the drawing, to the right to look at the latest, or keep it in the middle and navigate to an area you want to review. As you can see, this will highlight the differences between the changes of the design throughout the life cycle of the project. At the bottom of the 2D workspace, we can also see what markups have been drawn on the sheet. And going to pins will show us what issues are associated with this sheet from the issue tracker. This goes from regular issues to clashes and stamps. Double-clicking one of these icons will instantly take you to the issue tracker so you can review the issue against the sheet. The 2D area also has a ruler, which allows you to take individual measurements within a space within the project. By selecting the ruler, you can now pick which measurement you would like to take. The ruler allows you to measure point to point and gives you a measurement conditioning on the right hand side by changing the color. The area will allow you to pick point to point by selecting each individual node and hitting enter to get the final measurement. We can have the segment lengths inside, the total length, labels inside, and again a color. The polyline will allow you to simply measure point to point by clicking and hitting enter, and again will give you segment lengths or a total length and a color. The angle will allow you to pick an angle, point, by again measuring and hitting enter and assigning a color if you so require. We can also use the drawing to navigate to a specific area within the project. By clicking on Jump to 3D, the drawing screen will turn green, allowing us to click on a point within the project, and it will jump us to that point in time within the 3D area. Going back to 2D will give us a location pin showing us exactly where we are within the project. By clicking on Jump to 3D with an overlay allows us to again pick a point, by this time giving us the orientation of the 2D drawing overlaid on top of the building. We can pull the section cut up or down to again orientate the drawing to see exactly how we want it to be within the 2D and 3D space combined. Clicking on the home button will reset the view back to normal. Going back to the 2D gallery again allows us to search for specific content within the drawing folder structure. This time, by clicking on Search Content, I can put in a text string allowing me to search for specific drawings and a text string which is associated with those drawings. By typing in a specific text string, in this case an FCU, I can find the drawing which is associated, double click to open the drawing, find the highlighted string of text, and I've located a specific item with a reference on a specific drawing within the 2D area. I hope this video helps you navigate through the 2D area and familiarizes yourself with very easy and specific workflows on your project. Thank you for your time.